How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we're going to do some Kegel exercises. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. We'll get back to you guys with more details. So let's get started right now. The exercise that I choose today for the Kegels, my friends, is going to be scissors. That's right, scissors is a crazy good exercise. We're gonna get started. We're gonna do 10 repetitions. So a repetition counts as it, this is one repetition. So we're gonna do that 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Just like that. Very simple, very easy, very effective, and that's really all there is for getting your Kegels. This is going to be a Kegel workout, so I recommend that you guys follow along with me the whole workout. This is how you guys are going to see results. Trust me on this. Pretty tired, you guys. Long day at work. Still deciding to make a YouTube video because I like making videos for you guys. I'm making my videos every other day. That seems to be working for me right now. I'm just going to keep doing that, and that's what I'm seeing results right now. So I'm going to keep doing that. We'll talk a little bit more in a bit, but we got to do our exercise again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But yeah, in my office, you guys, I love working out in my office. This is pretty sweet. I got the YouTube plaque up there. I got everything, all my achievements, awards, stuff like that. Not that many, but a few. So pretty cool. This weekend, it's Friday right now, you guys. This is when I'm making the video. It's Friday right now. Weekend. Don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Probably go to a movie. Haven't seen a movie in a long time. There's got to be at least one good movie out. If you guys know any good movies that are out, comment below in the comment section. Let me know any good movies. But yeah, probably go see a movie. I love movie theater popcorn, you guys. That is my favorite. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, some of you also may be wondering, is this an ab exercise? Is this working out our abs? Yes, this is primarily an ab exercise, but it also hits your Kegel muscles, believe it or not. That's why I'm doing it. So yes, it is an ab exercise. So you will get six-pack abs doing it, but you're also going to notice that you will see results in your Kegels as well. So make sure you guys do the exercise, do the 10 repetitions, follow along with me at home, and that is how you're going to see results. If you just watch the video, you don't actually follow it, then you're not going to see the results. I have a ton of comments from people that are following the workouts and they're seeing results in early as a month. So for that is crazy, you guys, for both Kegel and six-pack abs. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But yeah, anyways, I love movie theater popcorn, you guys. Like, that's one of my favorite foods. I don't know why, but that and steak, Chinese food, that is my favorite food. Comment below also if you guys comment below your favorite foods as well. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, my analytics too for YouTube are pretty good right now. Every 48 hours, I like to see how many views I'm getting, and right now I'm sitting at around 100,000 views per 48 hours. So every 2 days, about 100,000 views, which is really good. I'm really, really impressed with that number, and I'm just gonna keep on grinding, keep on making these videos for my friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whoo-wee. Flex show. If you guys see my shirt too, danger. These guns are loaded. It's a cool shirt. Got that when I was in Las Vegas, so pretty sweet. Really like this shirt. Speaking of Las Vegas, I cannot wait to go back. It is gonna be freaking sick. I'm from Canada, so Las Vegas is pretty cool for me. I know some of you in the States, you may not be like, oh, that's not that big, but for us up here in Canada, very big, very cool. Lots to do there. Is so much fun when I went there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But yeah, it was freaking sweet. The food there was so yummy, and the drinks, awesome drinks. Alcohol too. That's what I mean by drinks, alcohol. But yeah, super fun, you guys. I'm so excited. Gonna go back next August, I believe. If everything goes good, should be next August when we go back, me and the wife. Maybe I might also invite my brother and my friend to make it a guys and a wife weekend. That might be pretty cool. We were thinking about driving down maybe. So from where I live in Canada, in Alberta, down to Las Vegas is about 2,500 kilometers, I believe. So that's about 2 days of driving. So pretty long, but I think it might be cool to do a road trip. Okay, let's get started. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! But yeah, I'm super pumped, super excited. That's kind of what's going on next year. Subscriber wise, speaking of next year, like the way that my subscriber base is growing, I like for sure next year 200,000, maybe 250,000. Actually for sure, not for sure, but at 120,000 right now. I'm averaging about 10 to 12,000 subs a month. So in 10 months, there'll be 120,000 subs. So next year, for sure could hit 250,000, maybe 300,000 if I get like a lot of spikes in my videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because yeah, that's what happens. You get like viral videos, and in my opinion, a viral video is anything that gets over 1 million views. So if it has like close to 1 million, like 600,000 views, 800,000 views, 1 million views, that's viral in my opinion. And that's where all your subscriber base comes from. So if you ever notice someone that has like 300,000 subscribers or 400,000 subscribers, all their videos only get like 1,000 views, it's because they had one good video and then their subscriber base isn't watching. But yeah, a good number is about 10% retention. So if you have 100,000 subscribers, getting about 10,000 views is pretty good. It's actually 10,000 views is freaking amazing. Most people fall in the 2 to 3%, so 2 to 3,000 views if you have 100,000 subs, which I'm roughly around. We'll do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But yeah, I like making the viral videos because then you get like a spike in subscribers and you get all these new people coming to your channel, checking it out, commenting. It's amazing. I love making those videos. So it's pretty cool. That's the end of the workout, you guys. Hopefully what I talked about wasn't too boring for you. Hopefully you guys do enjoy the talks we have in between the sessions, just to kind of keep it a little bit interesting, not just sit there for a minute not saying anything. But yeah, end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.